Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I will be taking you along with me for a walk in the Swiss countryside and you can get to experience Swiss fall weather virtually. Towards the end of the video, you will have a glimpse of our fall garden. You will see that most of our seasonals have reached the end of their life cycle and all the other plants are going into the winter sleep. Let's begin. After the refreshing walk in the woods, let me take you through our fall garden update. We got these asters just for decor in the front yard. And these are our hazelnut bushes which have turned to autumn colors, and they do look beautiful when the sun is shining on them. And these are the other parts of the garden. You can see that the perennials are going into their winter sleep and the seasonals have almost dried out. On this raised bed, we had planted a few salads, and this is calendula. I got this calendula from a friend of mine, and I have also made calendula oil in the meantime. You get a picture of our fall garden. The stream doesn't have so much of water as of then when I shot this video. We also had a relatively dry fall. And in this vegetable patch, we have left a few carrots for collecting the seeds next year. And beside the carrots, we had planted some fennel for our winter vegetable garden. And this is kohlrabi, which we planted in front of the greenhouse. And I think we were a little bit late in harvesting, but I have to see. Yesterday we could harvest them. And across this greenhouse, we have the Savoy cabbage. And beside the Savoy cabbage, we had planted leeks. These are all for our winter vegetable. It's too early to harvest them. Probably in a couple of weeks or so, they are ready. And this is what is left of the other vegetable patches. There is a little bit of kale on the side, and in the tomato greenhouse you can see a couple of tomatoes ripening, but it's already finished. The plant is drying out. And this colorful tree over here is our cherry tree. Inside the greenhouse, it's the same thing. These are all seasonal, so they will die out as it gets colder. One of the last of our Swiss charts. With this, I end my video and my garden tour. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. Follow me along in the usual social media networks. The link is below in the description box. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.